Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today I would like to introduce the Zyxel XGS101012 to you. It's a multi-gigabit switch for home or small office installation, which is unmanaged but very easy to install. Let's have a look what is inside the box. The device is delivered in an eco-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard and has less plastic in it. This product is offered by Zyxel with a limited lifetime warranty and a pre-swap service. You can use it as a desktop switch or fix it on the wall. There are no rack mount ears offered to fix the device in the rack. Inside the box you find also plug faces for UK, US and EU, as well as the power supply. There are also rubber feet for table mounting and plugs and screws for wall mounting. And finally you find the quick start guide, declaration of conformity and the warranty card inside the box. Select the plug face of your area and slide it to the power supply and let it click in. If you choose to install the device on the wall, make sure the screws are not too distant from the wall so they don't damage the mainboard. The installation is quite easy. Let's see how this works. The XGS101012 is designed to kick your connections into the top gear. It's very easy to install and shows different opportunities on the connection ports. It's specially made for customers who require an affordable 10 gigabit Ethernet network. On the front panel you find two SFP plus 10 gigabit ports as well as two combined Ethernet ports up to 2.5 gig and 8 1 gig Ethernet ports. The LED on the front panel confirms the speed in which your device is connected. Also you can find two high priority and two medium priority ports for specific devices that required a better quality of service. In this way you can organize your Ethernet very easy. In this way you organize your internet speed on one of the high priority Ethernet ports and you can connect a workstation, a desktop or a high-speed NAS on the two SFP Plus or high-speed ports. This product is easy to organize your home or small business network, but you cannot use it to cascade VLAN networks or bigger company networks. If you have questions for the product, please visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help articles in different languages and the contact to our support team. We are done with our episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel that you do not miss any of our episodes. You can also comment down in the comment section what we can do for you or if you have questions. You can also visit us on support.zyxel.eu and ask your questions in the support team. Also follow us on Facebook or stay with us in touch. So thank you very much and have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.